Using bad visuals or none at all on content pages. Images are critical to holding your reader's attention, especially if it's a text-heavy article. Even normal articles perform significantly better with good visuals. Research shows that content with visuals receives 94% more views than content without visuals. Plus, the human brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text, which can be extremely helpful if you're explaining a local real estate trend to a potential client. The fix? Canva.com is a great and simple tool that's free that will let you easily create visuals and find free photos for your website. And if you're using a graphics editing software, Unsplash.com provides thousands of high-quality professional images that are free to be used for anything, including commercial purposes. Another tip, Keynote and PowerPoint can be used for creating graphics too if you don't have a more expensive editor.